Original Toggler plastic toggle is a strong, versatile anchor. The TA anchor is ideal for hollow core doors, the TB for residential drywall, and the TC for commercial drywall. Drill a 5/16-inch diameter hole. Fold the anchor in the middle. Insert the anchor into the hole and tap it flush with the hammer. Insert the red key to pop the anchor open behind the wall. This is not necessary in thick or solid walls. Remove the red key. Place the item over the anchor and insert the screw. Tighten the screw until it is flush with the item, then stop.